Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a truly unique and immersive audio device, the Sony BRAVIA Theater U wireless wearable TV speaker, HiTaN 7. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Immersive wearable sound, personalized audio experience. Unlike traditional speakers or soundbars, the Sony BRAVIA Theater U delivers surround sound directly to your ears without the need for bulky home theater setups. The wearable neckband design creates an immersive, private audio experience while keeping you connected to your surroundings. Bluetooth connectivity and gaming compatibility. Easily connect via Bluetooth to your TV, smartphone, or gaming console for a wire-free entertainment experience. Perfect for gamers, delivering low latency, directional sound that lets you hear every detail with zero delay. Built-in mic for calls and voice commands. Need to take a call while watching your favorite show? The built-in microphone allows hands-free calling and voice assistant commands, making multitasking easier than ever. Long battery life and splash resistance. 12-hour battery life ensures all-day entertainment without frequent recharging. IPX4 splash resistance means you can even wear it while cooking or doing chores without worrying about accidental spills. Comfortable and lightweight design. The ergonomic, lightweight build ensures a comfortable fit for extended use. Whether you're watching late-night TV, gaming for hours, or taking work calls, you won't feel any discomfort. Final thoughts. The Sony BRAVIA Theater U, HiTaN 7, wireless wearable TV speaker is a game-changer for immersive, personalized audio. Whether you're looking for cinematic sound without disturbing others, crystal-clear gaming audio, or seamless hands-free calling, this device delivers next-level convenience and performance. Fire emoji. Check out the best deals in the link below and upgrade your audio experience today.